Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we will explore this Chinese character. Let us first review the two Chinese characters we learned in the previous lessons.
日
And
月
one represents the sun, and the other represents the moon. The character we are going to study today is composed of these two elements combined together. Yes, this is the character.
明
Can you guess what it means? What do the sun and the moon together make you think of? Perhaps brightness or light? That is correct. The original meaning is bright or radiant. Many words that contain this character express this meaning. For example,
光明
refers to brightness like that of daylight,
明亮
refers to a well-lit environment. Let us recall that they are also used as symbols of time.
日
Represents one day.
月
Represents 1 month. Therefore, when used in combination with other characters,
明
can also carry a temporal meaning. For example,
明天
means tomorrow,
明年
means next year. In addition,
明
can also convey the meaning of understanding or clarity, as if a light suddenly turns on in the mind, symbolizing realization. For example,
明白
means to understand,
明确
means clear or definite. Now that you are familiar with this character, let us practice its pronunciation.
明明明
The character
明
is structured from left to right, composed of two individual characters.
日
On the left,
月
on the right. When writing this character, we follow the basic rule of Chinese stroke order from left to right. That is, first we write the left component,
日
then followed by the right component.
月
It's quite straightforward, isn't it? Now, let us try learning two example words that contain this character.
明天
Means tomorrow,
光明
means brightness. Have you learned it well? If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me.